Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update as quick as I possibly can and tell you what I have been up to all year long. I stepped away from YouTube to help our daughter open up a bakery. We spent the entire year taking this commercial doctor's office building and transform it into a beautiful setting for a bakery. We were so excited when this building became available. It is the original Palmetto State Bank building, and it was built in 1912. It has some original woodwork and original lighting, and some of the flooring is still visible. So we got to work and kept what we could to bring back some character to the space. So deep, we found some amazing marketplace finds that look like they were made for this space. We were so excited when we would find something unique and build it into the wall to make it look like it's been there for over 100 years. We are located on a busy corner in Palmetto, Florida, and walking tours stop by often just to stop in and say hello and see what's going on. It's been fun getting to know this community. I had the best of intentions to document this entire journey and share with you how we were able to find pictures and frames and pieces of furniture and remake them into the look we were going for. But I gotta say, construction took it out of us. I just didn't have it in me at the end of the day to come home and put a video together. So I documented a lot, but I just was not able to get videos out like I wanted to. So you're getting a very condensed version of the last 10 months. We spent the entire year looking at marketplace, going to architectural salvage buildings where we could just grab anything that would be true to 1912 and try to bring this back to the era that it was originally built for. We found old church pews and a booth that came out of a speakeasy in Tampa. And my dad is a master craftsman, and he put all of our seating together, and he was a huge help. We were excited to start adding merch to the area. We wanted to include some small gift items that you can grab if you're coming in to pick up a birthday cake. We wanted to have cards and candles and books, just small gift items that you could grab last minute for a present. We had our grand opening on October 4th, and the mayor came. He had a ribbon cutting ceremony and welcomed us to the community. He said a prayer over the building. It was really sweet, and it was just a special day that I'll never forget. The community showed up big time for us. She had a line out the door and around the building the entire day, and it continued for, I don't know, 2 weeks. It was just well received, and we couldn't have been more grateful. It was very emotional, very exciting, and it is a lot of work, but Ella is amazing. Her work ethic is like none other. I just couldn't be more proud of her. So it's fun. It's nice to walk away. It's nice to walk in and sit down with my computer and just enjoy the space and be grateful for the time we were able to spend making this dream a reality for her. So I get to be back home doing what I love to do, and I just put together some little Christmas notebooks for part of the merch up at the bakery, so I thought I'd share the idea with you guys. I ordered these Christmas cards from Amazon. 40 cards came in the package with matching envelopes and little stickers that matched the cards. And I got 10 different designs, and I got 4 copies of each design. And they are 4 by 6 in size. And I had this idea to make a small Christmas notebook using these cards as the cover. I mean, look at all these different designs. Aren't they darling? I had a hard time choosing which ones I wanted to work with because each one were just so sweet. They're book covers from vintage children's books, and I just can't. I just think they're so cute. I had this idea to make a Christmas planner instead of just a plain notebook. So I designed this little planner. It's got a calendar in it, it's got a space for notes, it's got a place to put a list for who you're buying for, who you should remember to buy for, and just areas where you can just jot down some notes, some thoughts that you have throughout the season to help you stay organized and hopefully not forget anything. Once I decided how to print out these pages, which would print on the front and the back, I took my cutter and I cut the pages down to size, which were 4 by 6, and I sized them all up and put them all in order. After I stacked up the pages and put the binding on the back, or the cover on the back, I decided to bind this together using a hand stitch method, and I started by putting 5 holes in the spine of the book. I just pushed a hole using this tool through all of the pages, and then I took some embroidery thread and a large embroidery needle, and I just hand stitched through all of the pages. This reminded me of those sewing cards that we had in kindergarten where we could get like a shoelace and then we had this piece of cardstock and it was practicing, you know, sewing. This is exactly what it felt like. It was so fun. I I think this was my favorite method and I'll show you why in a minute. And there you go. There's your cute little handmade Christmas organizer. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so you can print out your own. That is just a little thank you to you who have reached out, checked in on me, wondered where I was this year, and I just appreciate you guys coming back and watching these videos and supporting me in this way because I'm excited to be back. I have missed being here and being creative with you guys and sharing all of these ideas with you. I wanted to share another way to bind this book together. Just run this through your sewing machine. I used a universal needle. I didn't do anything different with the thread or the needle, and it ran through the pages just fine. I just don't really know how to adjust the tension underneath on the bobbin, and I was getting looping underneath on the back side of these books. I liked the idea of just running this through the sewing machine, but I didn't love how it looked underneath. So I don't know how to adjust the tension, but for me, the hand stitch method worked just fine. And I forgot to tell you, I used this little corner rounder tool. It's like a little hole punch. and I think it was under $5. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to grab one of these from Amazon. It just kind of finishes off the book a little bit. I think it looked nice. Here's an even easier way to make a little Christmas booklet. I grabbed these little journals from the Dollar Tree. I got 3 in a package. There's not very many pages in these little booklets, but this smallest size fits these cards perfectly. So I just took the cover off of the booklet and it was just held together by 2 staples, and I just kind of, as careful as I could, took the cover off and I wrapped the card around the stack of papers, and I joined it back together using the hand stitch method and the sewing machine method. I tried that again, and still I think the hand stitch method is the way to go. But I added a few extra pages just to kind of decorate it up a little bit, and I rounded the corners out and put in a couple of pockets. If you are into junk journaling, this is your time to shine. I don't understand junk journaling. I don't know what purpose it serves, but I like to have a journal to use and organize myself. So, um, if you're better at decorating like little pockets like this, I think you would really enjoy this project. I think there is a better way to do this little pocket that I did. If you had two-sided paper, it would be really cute, but I just had the one-sided paper. So I like the idea of putting a pocket in there for receipts or a list or a business card or whatever. But I just stuck some little Christmas ephemera in there, and I think it looks really cute. I found these little notebooks at Walmart when I was out, and so I grabbed this stack of 3, and I did the exact same thing that I did with the Dollar Tree notebook. I just opened it up, took off the cover, and put the card around the stack of papers. Now, the only difference on this stack of notebooks, they were a little short for our cards, so I took about a half of an inch off of the card, and it worked just fine. Now, once I finished assembling all my little notebooks, I grabbed some plastic and packaged these up so I can take them into the bakery and sell them. If you want to purchase any of these items that I've used in today's video, if I can link it, it will be linked in the description underneath the title. Go ahead and follow those links and you can get these cards, you can get this packaging and the ribbon, and of course the free printable. I attached a little ribbon to each booklet on the outside of the packaging. I did a different color depending on what the colors were in the booklet. So I think it just added a little bit of extra special to the packaging. I think these would sell really nicely at a holiday craft show. If you are a crafter and you want to add these to your booth, by all means, please use any of my designs, any of my ideas. I want you to succeed. I hope that it would help you make some money. So please, if I can help you, go for it. I do not mind one bit. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all coming back and watching this video. If you don't mind, hit like and leave a sweet comment if If you have the time, I would appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video.